Hello, and today we will draw Selma Burke. Selma Burke, who was a brilliant Black sculptress. She is best known for creating a relief sculpture of President Franklin D. Roosevelt, which her art influenced the image of the U.S. dime today. So basically, the dime in your pocket is her artwork. Okay, let's start off by making her face. So I have a U shape like this. Let's make her ears. Let's make her hair. Let's make the top of her head by giving her wavy lines like this. All right, let's make her eyes. Two rainbow shapes like this. Then a U shape to connect. Let's make a circle inside each eye. Let's make a small little rainbow at the bottom of the circle. Let's make her eyebrows. Let's make her nose. Let's make her mouth by making an M shape like this. Then a U shape to connect. Let's add a horizontal line at the center of her lips. All right, let's make her clothes. So I will make a rectangle underneath her face. All right, let's make two vertical lines like this. Then a diagonal line here and a diagonal line here. Okay, let's make her shoulders, a curved line going out like this, and one on the other like this, and a horizontal line here, and a horizontal line here. All right, let's make her dress by making a diagonal line here like this, and a diagonal line like this. And let's connect by making a horizontal line. All right, let's thicken this line by making a belt like this. And let's make her arms. So we will start here, just not on the edge, but just a little bit over. Make a curved line like this on one side and a curved line on the other side. Okay, let's make her legs. I have two vertical lines here and one here for the other leg. And let's make her shoes, a horizontal line like this, a small little vertical line, come out, horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, and connect. Let's do the other leg, a horizontal line like this, a small vertical line, a horizontal line here, come down, across, and connect. So we are done drawing Selma Burke. The next thing is to draw her famous sculpture relief, which inspired the dime of Theodore Roosevelt. Let's start off by making a rectangle for the clay relief. So I have a vertical line and I will make a horizontal line here like this, and another horizontal line, a parallel line. Then I would like to connect these two lines here, these two lines. So I recommend a ruler. Next, we want to give the relief a 3D effect. So I will make a diagonal line like this here and one here, and then connect by making a horizontal line. And then down the bottom, a horizontal line here, then a diagonal line like this, and one here like this, then connect. If you miss a step, you can always go back and rewind. And let's do the other side. So I have my 3-dimensional squared clay frame. So now we are going to draw Theodore D. Roosevelt as a clay relief. So the first thing is to make a curved line like this. Then make a line going out like this. Then a line going out and coming in like this. This is an abstract drawing, like everything on this channel. And then a curved line that goes out like this. Then come down. Then come up like this. Then a little line that goes in like this. Then we want to make a curved line that goes out. So I guess I can go out like this and come in to the back of his neck like this. Then we want to make a curved line going out like this. Then another curved line like this. Then come in to the back like this. All right, let's make a line that goes out like this, a line like this, almost a straight line, but it's a little curved. Then a curved line like this for his eyebrows. Then a dot like this. And let's make a wavy line like this. And a small one like this. And a little one like this, little rainbow like this. And let's make a curved line. So we are done drawing Selma Burke and her sculpture of Theodore D. Roosevelt, which inspired the dime that you have in your pocket. I hope you learned some new information about Selma Burke. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.